Hello VR users, Alex here, your V-Ray guide, and I wanna welcome you to VR Interior Workshop with 3ds Max, V-Ray and Unreal Engine 4. In this workshop I'm gonna show you the entire process of producing virtual reality walkthrough tour with this loft space. We are going to start from modeling and lighting interior with 3ds Max and V-Ray. This will give us a good reference to follow. Then we are going to clean up and prepare the space for export to Unreal Engine 4. After that, we are going to assemble the space, adjust the textures and create realistic effects. Unreal Engine has to offer many cool post-production functions that will make your space look amazing. We are going to go through all of those parameters and discover what it takes to produce realistic virtual reality tour. At the end, we are going to pack everything into a file and have it ready to go for multiple platforms such as Windows, Mac, HTML5 and many others. In addition, I'm gonna show you how to export high-quality videos and 4K images in just few clicks. Adding photorealistic textures by baking them with V-Ray will be the highlight of this workshop. So if you want to learn the complete process of creating interior space with Unreal Engine, now is the best time to join in. This workshop comes with full private forum support and live weekly webinars. Everything will be recorded, so you can watch the videos in your free time, download samples and practice your skills as you go. Don't wait too long. Join our virtual reality workshop with Unreal Engine 4 today. Hope to see you with us. This is Alex, your V-Ray guide. Ciao.